Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's a little bit different, as you see here. Um, Today we're going to be talking about Turtle, and this is like a mini project that I did back when I was taking the Python class, and it was making a font with Turtle. So now you might be wondering, what the hell is Turtle? Well, let me tell you. Turtle is basically a pre-downloaded, installed Python library that lets you draw stuff with a cursor on this canvas. And that cursor is called Turtle, which is why this library is also called Turtle. You can do cool stuff with Turtle. You can like draw stuff. You can actually make games too. I haven't tried that one yet, but I can. So that's that. Um, so here we import Turtle so that we can have the library here. And when you run it first time, you will get this canvas up, and you will have to run it again to actually get the program working. I already preloaded the canvas for you guys, um, and I make the turtle object, and then I'll make this speed incredibly fast so it doesn't take forever to draw, since we have the entire lowercase alphabet here. It's pretty long. 500 lines long. Yeah, pretty long. Um, and we make the z variable. I should have probably named it better. Z is basically this thing for the initial offset, so that this like go off the screen, so I don't have to all the way, scroll all the way over there. Just a little bit of quality of life thing. And I make this width 5, so it's a little bit thicker and it's more recognizable. And here's some commands. You can do dot up, which makes the turtle face up, down, left, right. But these are degrees in degrees. So if I want to make them turn directly left, then I will do 90 degrees. You can do anywhere from 0 to 360. So you can do whatever. Forward is obviously just go forward from where you're facing, and I go 10. It's like a distance. You can see this as like a grid without lines. You can experiment with it to see how far it goes and how far you would like it to go. And T circle, it will draw a circle from its position. Pretty sure it goes to the right side. So if the turtle starts at right here, then it's going to draw a circle like this. So the turtle's gonna be at the bottom left corner of the circle. And we have, let's see. Oh, if there's forward, there's gonna be backward. Same thing, except that it goes backward. So you get it. And there's right. Same thing as left. You can just input degrees. I can do left 180 to just go opposite direction. You can do that for right. It doesn't really matter. I'm a lefty, so I always write left. And there's go to. It literally just makes the turtle go to whatever coordinate you want. For example, I'm doing z dot 0, so it doesn't like go anywhere with the y coordinates, but it just goes to the specific x coordinate that I made, which is negative 200, and then it starts shifting after you're done with the letter, so that another letter wouldn't overlap. And that should be like the basic ones that you should need for this one. So let me just run the program real quick. See, it's really fast. If I decrease this, it's gonna be much slower, which I didn't like. And there we go. There's the entire lowercase alphabet set. I tried to like make it classic here, and then I was like, you know what? I want to make it a little bit more fancier. And I went like this. And look at this P. I really like this P. So you can mess around with it. I'll just include this repl in the description so that you can fork this and play around. You can modify it to make it look better. Maybe add some capital letters, numbers, signs, symbols, whatever you want. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Found this more informative. learn something, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.